अमृत एको शब्द है, अमृत एको शब्द है। नानक गुरमुख पाया, नानक गुरमुख पाया, अमृत एको शब्द है। नानक गुरमुख पाया. Only the Gurmukh obtains the Shabad. Only the Shabad. There's nothing else. But where is this Shabad? Where does it dwell? Now ned Amrit Prabh ka naam, Dehi mein iska Isram. Where is it? It's right inside, and everyone has it. Every living thing that has a soul has Amrit. Everything has Amrit. But the Gurmukh realizes this. And how does he realize? घर ही में अमृत भरपूर है, मन मुख साधना पाया. The Amrit is within the home. Within which home? The body. The body has Amrit in it, but its position is asleep. It's asleep, but we think we're awake. Because Amrit is Anand, and people will, it's very easy to say, well, I'm happy. I have this, I have that. I've got everything I want, so I'm happy. घर ही में अमृत भरपूर है, मनमुख साधना पाया. But the self-willed manmukh, the one that wants to do things in their own way, does not taste the Amrit, does not taste the Shabad. It is as if जियो कस्तूरी मिर्ग ना जाने, परम दा परम भुलाया. It is like the deer who inside has musk, but does not recognize its own musk scent. It wanders around chasing its tail. जियो कस्तूरी मिर्ग ना जाने, परम दा परम भुलाया. It's deluded by doubt, and this is the situation. Deluded by doubt. Param da param bhulaya. Then the Guru goes on to say, Jiyo Kasturi mirg na jane, param da param bhulaya. But why is this problem there? Why does the manmukh not realize it? And in the following shabd, the Guru explains, Pੈ vich pao pae, Kau bujhe har ras paave pai. In the fear of God is the love of God. Only those few who understand the love obtain the sublime essence of the Lord. We have no dware, we have 9 gates, and those 9 gates have access to the worldly pleasures. Worldly pleasures. The tongue, the eyes, the nose, the ears. The 9 gates on the body have got access to the worldly pleasures of this world. The eyes can see, the ears can hear the gossip, the eyes can see others' wealth, others' beauty. The nose can smell the different tastes. This is what deludes us. But in the fear of God, the Guru explains, Guru explains the eyes don't look at the beauty of others, at the beauty of someone else's wealth and want it. That is the fear of God. Why Guru? I don't want to come back. Bahut janam bichre the madho. Ek janam tumhare lekhe. I don't want to come back. I need that help. In the fear of God is the love of God. Because I love you, I know you're trying to help me like a father. Please listen to my request and give me the gift of asking for the right thing. Vento dhor je mangna sir dukha ke dukh deho naam santokhya utre man ki. Give me your knowledge, give me your divine wisdom, give me your amrit naam. Jete ghat amrit sab hi meh bhave tise yai. As many hearts as there are in all of them, his amrit, as he pleases, he causes them to drink in it. Some believe that alcohol is amrit and they drink that. Some believe and they're addicted to drugs and smoking and they believe that is where the amrit is. That is amrit for them. But the Guru has revealed that this will only lead to chaos and destruction of the body and the soul, because the soul is what's going to come back again and again. Nagari eke nau darwaje tavat barj rahai. There are 9 gates and 1 city of the body. Restrain your mind from escaping through them. Now the Guruji explaining that these 9 gates, that is how this amrit will escape, because our gates will be used by the doubt inside, saying, look at that, that's where you're going to get, this is where you're going to get this anand from, this is where you're going to get this amrit from, go there, do this and do that, and the 9 gates will be used. But the Guruji is saying, control, restrain your mind, don't let this amrit escape through. Contain the amrit, contain the goodness, contain the gun, otherwise you will find you are losing the gun. And what happens? Mantan fikka hoye, the mind and the body become fragile and insipid. Trikuti shute dasma dar khulle ta man khiva pai. When the knot of the 3 qualities is untied, then the 10th gate opens up and the mind is intoxicated. Not many are at this stage. I'm just a searcher. Even I am trying to get to that stage. But it is very hard. The only thing that can help is the Shabad, is the Amrit. Amrit eko Shabad hai, Nanak Gurmukh paya. Then the Guru goes on to explain, where is this Amrit? How can we obtain it? Thale vich tin vastu payo har bhojan amrit sar. Vaheguru. On the plate 3 things have been placed. This is the sublime ambrosial food. We read it every day. Thal vich tin vastu payo sat santog vicharo. But in this Shabad the Guru says, har bhojan amrit sar. Jit khate man triptiye paye moktwar. Whoever eats this will be in bliss, will be in Anand. Because Vaheguru is immortal and in Anand, we too will become immortal and in Anand. Eho bhojan alabh hai santho, labbe gur vichar. It's so difficult to obtain. But look what the Guruji is saying. Labbe gur vichar. Only through the vichar, not only in the vichar. There is a sihari after the rada in the vichar. Only within the vichar you will find this amrit. Because that vichar will develop you, that vichar will clothe you. Kapad pat parameshwar rakhi. That will clothe you. Amrit eko Shabad hai. Amrit eko Shabad hai.